Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check activation date on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on battery. And from here, just tap on battery health. Now as you can see from here, you can find the year and the month of your activation date. Now there is also another method to check the activation date of your iPhone. For that, just go to your home screen and open Safari. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just open this website. Now as you can see, it is asking us to enter the IMEI number of our iPhone. For that, just go to your home screen and open the settings. Now in settings, just go to general, then tap on about. And from here you will find the IMEI number of your iPhone. Now just tap and hold on the IMEI number, then select copy. Now just go back to the website and paste the copied IMEI number over here. Once you enter the IMEI number, then tap on check IMEI. Now just tap on activation and coverage check. Now in this section, just enter the serial number of your iPhone. For that, just go back to the settings. Now in settings, just go to general, then tap on about. And from here, just tap and hold on the serial number and select copy. Then go back to the website and paste the serial number in this section. Then tap on check. Now just answer these questions, then tap on verify. Now to check the activation date of your iPhone, just check the purchase date from here. Now in our case, the activation date or the purchase date of our iPhone is 7th of December 2023. And this is how you can check activation date on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.